Hey guys, it's Katie and today we are doing a 10-minute cardio kickboxing workout. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to do it for a really long time, so it's finally happening right now. You don't need any gloves. You actually don't need any equipment, just your beautiful self. We're gonna focus on the bottom because our glute muscles are our biggest muscles in our body. So it's actually a fun little hack. If you feel like you need an extra burn, you wanna burn more calories, maybe you've been like a little bit off on your nutrition lately. There's so many brunches happening this month, I totally get it. This is a way to burn more in less time by working that backside. So if you're ready to get your kickboxing on, sweat that thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started. Before we start, I'm gonna show you all of the moves so you know exactly what we're doing before we get there because we are gonna move pretty quickly through them once we get started with the workout. So the first one is going to be a lunge with a front kick. We're gonna start on one side, you're gonna do a reverse lunge, and then kick forward. Using your core to really get that foot up, lunge it back, kick forward. Back and forward. From there, we're gonna take it to squat punches. So a couple options. You can squat, punch, punch, and stand, or you can make it a little more intense. Squat, punch, punch, hop, and out. Punch, punch, hop, and out. Yeah? Next, we have lateral side kicks. So you're gonna lean over to the side. You can be right here, just kicking, little cardio move. If you wanna make it more intense, you can squat and kick. So that side lunge, kind of like a half squat, and then kick up, or again, right here. Our next move is gonna be a squat with a back kick. So you're gonna sit low, kick it back, stay low, and kick. Squat, kick, squat, opposite foot. And our last move is gonna be a 180 squat. So you're gonna squat and turn back. Landing light on the toes. If that's too much for you, you can just come from here and I want you to just walk it out, turn, and change directions. All right, we're starting with that reverse lunge and frontal kick on the right side. Let's do this, bring the leg back and kick. So what I want you to focus on is, this is cardio obviously, right? The goal is to get your heart rate elevated, but it is up to you what that elevated looks like. It can be more of a list cardio, lower intensity, where you're able to still carry on a conversation, you feel the heart rate coming up, but you can still talk and breathe. Or you could go like real crazy and move faster and make it more of a hit. You need to do what works for your body though. Take it out. Good. We've been talking so much about nutrition this month, and I just feel like this workout is such a perfect way to bring it all together because you get that energy and the fuel you need from your food to bring it out in these workouts. Those glute muscles are your biggest muscles. They're gonna work super hard for you. A few more on this side and burn tons of calories. So if you feel like going out with your girlfriends, splurging a little here and there, it's totally okay. Back and front. Woo, that standing leg. Down and kick. Last one. Switching sides. Give it a little shake. And let's move to the opposite side. So lunge back, kick front. Lunge back, kick. Good. Now, when you're doing this, I used to do lots of Tai Bo, and I feel like it was always really fun when you're like frustrated or like school is like really hard or someone's bugging you. You just picture that problem or problem person in front of you and kick it out. Use that power of the core. Good. Kick. Back. Here we go. Back. Keep your weight in that standing leg heel and kick. Core's tight. Come on. Beautiful. Kick it out. A few more on the side. Back. Woo! Feel that booty. Squeeze it tight. Don't let the quads do all the work. Last one. Kick it. Step it out. Okay, heart rate's coming up. That's good. So side step for a minute here. Shake it out. We have those squat punches. So again, find your layer. If it's just a stand, that's cool. If you want to jump, that works too. So feet wide, heels and toes out. We squat, punch, punch, hop and out. Good. And yeah, you have to make those sound effects. Makes it way more fun. Bump, bump, good. The key here is using your abs. Yes, you got that booty working, but you want your abs tight to protect your back. You might as well work that waistline while you're working, right? Good. If you're doing the jump and you start to get tired, slow it down. Just here. Good. Punch, punch. Get that breath. Good. A few more. And I want to take it back to those jumps. Come on. You got this. Yes. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Last one, jump it in. Punch, punch. Punch, punch. Yes. You got it. We have 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Step it out. Good. Maybe on the toes. Yep. Little boxer right here. Light on those toes. Keeping that heart rate up. This is only 10 minutes of cardio. You got this. Breathe. Good. Inhales and exhales. Nice and slow. Little speed bag. Give those legs a break. So you're gonna take circles with your arms. Don't hit yourself in the face. Breathe in. Working to tone those arms. Always adding in, you guys. You know I'm all about focusing on those big muscles, but if you can get some double bonus out of it, might as well. Little arms, arms. Switch directions, faster. If you're going forward, you can go a little faster here. And breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. All right, we have those side lunge with kicks. So you're gonna lunge, kick out, lunge, kick. Nice and low. Kicking with that heel. Use the power. Like you are really trying to kick someone away. Kick. Don't forget, you have the option to stay and just move the leg. Kick. Here. This is gonna get more of that side body and obliques. Here you're getting more booty. Down and kick. Good, you got this. Out, good. Kicking away any little extra love you might have on those love handles, on the sides, on the booty. Working it out, down, and up. 2 more on this side. Shake it out. We're gonna switch sides. I know it burns. That is a good thing. That burn is where that change is happening. You're working it. Take it down, kick it out. Good, get low. Weight in the heel, push through the heel. Weight, push. This leg is just here for support. Good, you can add the arm, a little jab. Woo, let's go. This is amazing what can happen in 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes yet, that heart rate is up. Let's go, take it down, kick out. You got this. Woo. Come on, ladies. Down and kick. Woo. Yes, 10 more seconds. Woo. 2. Last one. Shake it out. On the toes, on the toes. Little break. And we have those squats with alternating kickbacks. So a lot of times in our bar boot camps, we do a reverse leg raise. This is different. You're kicking like you're sneaking under a fence. You squat, kick back behind you. Like, get away from me, let go. Okay, we got this. Ready? Get low, kick back, squat, kick, squat, kick. If you have a counter or a chair and you need that for support, grab it. And breathe. Down, back, yes. This is where you feel those muscles ignite on every inch of your glutes. The bottom of your bottom, top of your thigh, and kick. Really Imagine you're moving through mud. Squeeze, down, get lower, kick it, down, back. Core is tight, chest is lifted. Creep down, kick back. Woo. Come on. You've got this. Keep pushing. Give me 10. On each side, yes you can, come on. 9, kick. Count with me. Core tight, 8. Kick, 7. Then we finish strong with those 180 turns. 5 more, low, back, and kick. 4. Woo, booty. 3. For 2, kick. Last one on each side. Quick break. Shake it out, then we turn. That's it, you guys, on the toes. Shake it off. I know on the toes it's like, ooh, my legs are a little jello-y. That's okay. We're gonna relax them right here. We need that power once again. So you don't wanna stop, because once you stop, you get a little too relaxed. All right, in our big squat, we're down, flip, 180 squat. Turn, and turn. Yes. So we're gonna go one direction. So I'm turning to my right, then to my left. First right, then left. Then we're gonna switch it out. 2 more. Now change. Turn, turn. Good. So now I'm going to my left first, then my right, then my left. Woo! We have 6, 5, 4, get low, 3, 2, woo! Last one. Woo! Shake out those legs. Oh my gosh, girls, you did it. We're here, 10 minutes straight, cardio kickbox. Woo! Shake it off. All right, you guys, that was 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. I am dripping sweat, and it is a cold, rainy day here right now. Like, that's pretty intense, but it's a cardio workout. So the greatest part about that, again, is there are those modifications. So if you wanna slow it down, take it a little bit slower through the movements, you'll still get a great 10-minute workout. Or you can go full out, make it more of a hit, burn crazy calories, and get all those benefits that you're looking for. If you have like an intense amount of energy still in you, do it again. Maybe do 3 rounds. It'll be like a 20 or 30-minute workout. It's gonna be so amazing. You're gonna be sore though, so make sure you take time to stretch it out, foam roll after, get lots of protein. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.